Night by Shannon in 40 by 50 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with lightning diamonds that we've sprinkled in the lightest areas in the painting, and this represents the moon as well as the light that is shining from the moon. So simply place them on the whitest areas on the painting. Night by Shannon in 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds alexandrite that we've sprinkled in the blue areas in the sky. Finally, for version 3 of Day and Night in 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, we now add abalone that we have sprinkled in the green areas of the painting. So this would be mainly on this area over here on the bottom, basically on the tree that surrounds the moon and the sky. So sprinkle it in these areas. And this is for version 3 of Day and Night by Shannon in 40 by 50 cm round.